got a tail.
Jeremy's mud seat.
It just started to look like the beginning of The Hills Have Eyes, so we split. So it's a new day. We had some breakfast. We got a late start today. This is gonna be the last day for the whole Far Off-Road gang and Jesse. So we're gonna go do some Royal Blue.
Damn it.
Not 100% sure where we're going yet, but there's some cool to see there. So we're gonna go check that out. Lou's double plugs that I was showing you guys at the end of the last video, they're still holding. He's got 10 PSI, so that's good.
Dude, how'd you crack my tail light?
So, at the end of yesterday, I was kind of going over any of the little damage that we saw, even if it's minor, just showing you guys, we missed some things. Dude, somehow cracked a tail light. I know. Dude, look at yours. You did the same thing.
Did I?
Yeah.
It's gotta be that fucking wall.
So.
God damn it.
So, this back plastic ripped out. He broke his tail light. And then, yesterday, I was looking at my door, and somehow I completely missed this. So that all got ripped out, which is cool. My Amazon taillight didn't break though. Look at that. It's all cosmetic stuff, so it doesn't really matter, but you know, oops. So we got some road riding, some gravel road riding. So we'll pick this back up out on a trail. Alright guys, we are in Royal Blue. First stop is going to be Town Rock. It's a real cool feature to see. It's got some blue trails, but there are some pretty gnarly ruts. So we'll show you some of that. This is so much deeper than last time. Holy like it's up to my ass.
Dude, put it in reverse. Dude, this is fucking deep.
Yeah,
a lot deeper.
Dude, time to get your swim trunks on, homeboy.
got that mud butt.
I can't even feel the bottom.
Deeper than his ass. Oh! Oh, man. Oh! Close enough.
That's the real winch right there, dude.
You got water in your belt?
Huh?
You got water in your belt?
Probably.
Doesn't seem to be moving that easily.
Yeah, I don't think it's working.
It's not, I'm not afraid of drowning in it. I'm afraid that I would have to get winched out. Like, that's what I was worried about getting. Well, alright guys, we're bailing on this one. We don't have a real good solution on getting around, so we're gonna head up towards top of the world. We're gonna take a different route than when we went last time. I got check engine lights, I got the steering light, I got all kinds of lights on now. So this is Trail 19 in Royal Blue or Sundquist, or whichever one you call it. We're gonna take this to a red trail that goes up to the top of the world. We've been to the top of the world, but the red trail we're going to, we've never done. And one of you guys commented saying that it's a good one, so we're gonna check that out, put our tires on it. Alright guys, we're at the bottom of trail 28, red trail, royal blue. This is heading up towards the top of the world. That was after my little muddy mistake.
It's not as bad as this. My chunk's still there, but it ripped out.
Yeah, we got wet. So luckily, every time my pants start to dry, this is nice and saturated to re-wet my ass. So we're gonna load up and we're gonna hit Trail 28, Fred's Way Trail. I don't know what to expect, so you'll find out with us. I don't know if they groomed it, fixed it, but we had comments saying it's harder than 30, and I mean, I don't know, that was easy. I'm assuming they had to have fixed it. This is 30 now. The top of the hill, top of the world, losing to go up this hill. They got multiple different ones you can hit. He should walk right up it. Jesse's gonna go up the right side here. Should walk right up that one too.
Got Jeremy coming up a hill, top of the world. Let's see how he does it. Jesse already came up it, I came up it. Jeremy's up next. Been here before, other videos, but you never get enough of it. Up here at the top of the world, you really feel like you're on the top of the world. Wake up, see this every day would be awesome.
Oh, well,
dude, how'd you do that?
All wedged up in there.
Yeah.
Jeremy's butt seat.
My cheeks probably look similar.
Kids being kids.
I'm gonna head back down. I want to try the hill that Jesse did. I don't know if I have enough tire for that one, but I want to at least put my tires on it, see how it feels.
I said Miss Charlotte, I'm sorry.
here, this tree that's hanging over here, this is where I was standing to film. This was all slop and ruts. And yeah, they cleaned this up pretty good. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, they fixed this trail. This thing ain't red anymore. That's a damn green trail.
Wonder how deep this mud is. Yeah, this shit's f***ing deep. Oopsie.
Yeah, right. Yeah, sure. I get fast food. I'm like, what the fuck are you guys thinking? Yeah.
Ah, shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, I gotta be careful. I don't want to get all muddy.
That's thick.
You think?
If you don't know, those are 37-inch XTR 370s. So he's probably the only one with a shot on this, and he got it. Fuck yeah!
Alright, somebody was jealous trying.
This one looks interesting. Rut-wise.
Back up and give it the beans.
Maybe if I open my exhaust, it'll help. so you guys saw Jesse in that hole. He picked up a friend. How you doing, buddy?
This is non-sponsored. I did not get no discount on this box or anything. So honestly, one of my big complaints is these latches don't latch tight. So I bought these clips to make sure they stay latched. But I'm kind of curious, as you guys probably see on the previous video of me saturating this thing.
Look at that.
That's except for the drippage, but that did do a pretty good job.
Yeah.
I think actually, now look, now
Yeah.
look down there.
If you would have went all the way open.
So,
Not bad.
Have you one, dude, or no?
All right, guys, so we're at the foot travel only waterfall here. I think it's called Jennings. No, not Jennings Creek. I'm not sure. I'll have the name of this pop up below me here. Lou's been here. He said it's a good one. The blue trails we took here were better, in my opinion, than the red trails. Those red trails coming down from the top of the world, they definitely leveled them bad boys out, and they're nothing now. But those blue ones had some good ruts and some little mud holes, so that's always fun. I'm a big fan of like those rutted out type of trails, so I was having a ball. So coming down, we got this this ancient Aztec rock formation.
Yeah.
Ancient.
This shit was running, man.
yeah, we're not getting down there for that.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's it, huh?
That's what it's become now.
Damn.
It's just dry.
Like, because as we were walking down Southern Ashland, I'm like, I don't even hear it. Because you were able to hear it from there when we were here.
I bet this one was a ripper
It
too.
was. We were also here like in springtime, so obviously all that snow is still melting.
Yeah.
You know,
Damn.
now we haven't had shit for rain.
All right, guys, so that was Meadow Creek Falls. Unfortunately, there's not much water running through it, so Lou was saying it looks awesome when there's a lot of water, and he's seen it like that. So from here, we're just gonna start heading back to the house. It's getting late and it's raining, and we have more rain coming, so we're gonna try and beat that. We're pretty far away from home right now, so that's the plan.
Oh, yeah.
that's gonna be it for this one. Obviously, it's the next day. Once again, I didn't film an outro. My main priority was to get the muddy clothes off me. It's getting pretty uncomfortable, so I just need to get in the shower, needed a beer, and yeah, didn't film the outro, so that's happening now. We had a good time. It was obviously a muddy mess, but a lot of fun. Love them rutted trails like that. They're always a blast. Unfortunately, that was the last ride for this trip with the Far Off-Road gang and Jesse. They're going home today. We got one more day of riding, so that'll be the next video for you guys. But yeah, as always, it was a blast riding with them, and it's cool and crazy to think that it's only because of me talking to myself through a camera that we met them. So it's pretty neat. But that's it. They're gonna be at the Badlands as well, October 14th, that weekend, customer appreciation weekend. So excited for that. And yeah, check out our G Life UTV affiliate link in the description below. If you need parts for your machine, they got a bunch of the top brands. You can use code Haggard5, save yourself some coin. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all the YouTube stuff. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Wow, okay. Dude alert.